विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. फातोर्डा स्टेडियम आनी बांबोळी स्टेडियमाचेर 5 ते 15 ऑक्टोबराक ब्रिक्स अंतर 17 ह्या फुटबॉल सर्त जातली. मंगळारा आयोजकांनी पत्रकार परिशद ह्या विशीं अधिक माहिती दिल्या. आरडी स्कोआ खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
Unfortunately, we don't know much about our opponents on this tournament because we were kind of busy with the qualifyings. But we will see what will happen on this tournament. We will see the opponents. I hope we will get some videos after the matches to analyze it. But we are expecting for strong teams and strong opponents. This team exists already for 2 years. But I cannot say that we permanently stay together. We always gather together for tournaments and the camps. So I cannot say that they all the time play with each other.
Actually, this tournament and all the tournaments that we play during this period, they are all an important preparation for the men's tournaments like the World Cup that will be here next year. So especially for this competition, we just met at the airport in Brazil and we traveled to here. Okay, we didn't have any camp before. Okay.
Our goal is, I said to the team yesterday, we have to confirm that we are competitive. I don't say this to make the AFC tournament smaller than it was. That was also a great tournament, but I mean Brics now is basically a mini World Cup. We have 5 teams from 4 confederations. Better preparation you cannot get for us, especially hosting the World Cup. I am happy about, I think we represented India well. I'm not happy about the result. I think, it makes no sense to complain again about that match versus Iran. It's not a secret that I disagree with the referee's decision. I did that right after the match, and after seeing the video footage, I still do it. I have to. But in the long run, sometimes the referee is for you, sometimes he's against you. We stay for honest football, for hard work. That is what we do. So we will not blame the referee or anybody else. That is not what we do.